How to delete Google Play Store purchase history. So if you want to delete Google Play Store purchase history, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Once you tap on profile, now you need to go with payments and subscriptions and go with budget and history. And here you will have all of the purchase history of your Google Play Store. So if you want to delete the Google Play Store purchase history, then go with the profile, which is on the upper right, tap on manage your Google account and go with the data and privacy option. Under data and privacy, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of delete your Google service. So you just need to simply scroll down and go with delete a Google service. Here you will have it. So tap on delete a Google service and make sure to enter your password of your Google account. So I'll be signing in with my passkey. After signing in, now here you will have an option of delete on the right side. So if you want to delete your YouTube account, you can go with delete YouTube or Gmail or Play Games or Google Authenticator or any service that you would like. So if you want to delete the Google Play Store purchase history, then you just need to simply go with the service, which is Play Games, and you need to delete the Play Games option. So tap on delete, which is on the right side, and then tap on delete Play Games, and after that it will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Google Play Store purchase history, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.